Sciatica. This sharp shooting pain radiating down your leg is no joke. But understanding it is the first step to kicking it to the curb. Sciatica is often caused by compression of the sciatic nerve. This nerve runs from your lower back, through your hips and buttocks, and all the way down your legs. Several things can lead to this compression. Muscle imbalances, tight muscles, and poor posture are often the culprits. The good news? You can address these issues. Building strength and mobility is key. And no, we're not talking about painful stretches. Let's debunk a myth. Static stretching for sciatica can do more harm than good. Picture this. You're in pain, so you reach down to touch your toes, holding the stretch for 30 seconds. While this might feel good momentarily, it can actually irritate an already inflamed nerve. Static stretching can also worsen muscle imbalances. If your hamstrings are tight, stretching them further might pull on your lower back, compressing the sciatic nerve even more. Instead of static stretching, we're going to focus on dynamic mobility and strengthening. This will address the root causes of your pain and get you moving freely again. Dynamic mobility is about moving your body through a comfortable range of motion. Think controlled, fluid movements that lubricate your joints and improve blood flow. This is crucial for decompressing the sciatic nerve. Here are a few exercises to get you started. Sciatic nerve flossing. Lie on your back with one leg straight in the air. Slowly bend and straighten your knee, feeling a gentle flossing sensation in your nerve. Hip cars, controlled articular rotations. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Make circles with your hips, moving them forward, up, back, and down in a controlled manner. Glute bridge with hip extension. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Lift your hips off the ground, squeezing your glutes. Extend one leg straight out, then lower it back down. Repeat on the other side. These exercises will help create space for your sciatic nerve, relieving pressure and reducing pain. Section 4. Glute activation. Waking up your powerhouse. Your glutes are your body's largest and most powerful muscles. They play a critical role in stabilizing your hips and supporting your lower back. When your glutes are weak, other muscles have to work overtime, leading to imbalances and pain. Strengthening your glutes is non-negotiable for beating sciatica. Here are some exercises to target these powerhouse muscles. Side-lying hip abductions. Lie on your side with your legs stacked. Lift your top leg up towards the ceiling, keeping your toes pointed forward. Lower it back down with control. Bird dog. Start on your hands and knees. Extend one arm straight forward and the opposite leg straight back, keeping your core engaged. Lower back down and repeat on the other side. Split squats. Stand with one foot forward and one foot back, about 2 to 3 feet apart. Lower your body down until your back knee is close to the ground. Push back up to the starting position. Remember to engage your glutes throughout each exercise. This will help you build strength and stability in your hips. Section 5. Core strengthening, stabilizing your foundation. Your core muscles are like the internal scaffolding of your body. They provide stability for your spine and pelvis, protecting your lower back from injury. A strong core is essential for preventing sciatica from rearing its ugly head. Here's how to strengthen your core. Plank. Start on your forearms and toes, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position, engaging your core. Side plank. Lie on your side with your forearm directly below your shoulder. Lift your hips off the ground, creating a straight line from head to feet. Hold this position, engaging your obliques. Dead bug. Lie on your back with your arms extended towards the ceiling and your knees bent at 90 degrees. Slowly lower one arm and the opposite leg towards the ground, keeping your core engaged. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. These exercises will help you build a rock-solid core, providing a stable foundation for your body.